In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting seamlessly. Whether you're new to Microsoft Teams or need a refresher, you'll be able to join your meeting with confidence and ease. Let's start with the basics. First, you'll receive an invitation to your Microsoft Teams meeting via email or through a message. This will include a link that you'll need to access the meeting. Once you have this, go ahead and click on the meeting link. It's usually highlighted and underlined, indicating that it's ready to direct you to the meeting environment. Upon clicking the link, you'll be presented with a choice. You can either open the meeting in the Teams app if it's installed on your device, or you can opt to join the meeting through a web browser. Now, if speed and convenience are your priority, and the app is already installed and updated, it's generally faster and more reliable to join using the app. On the other hand, if you're working from a public or shared computer where the app might not be available, joining via a web browser is a perfectly good alternative. Supported browsers typically include Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome, among others. If you're joining the meeting as a guest, which might be the case if you don't have a Teams account or are using a different setup, you'll need to enter your name. This is the name that will be displayed to other participants in the meeting. Think of it as introducing yourself before walking into a room. Keep it professional, especially if it's a formal meeting. Once you've entered the necessary information, it's time to get ready to join the virtual conversation. Before you click to join, take a moment to configure your audio and video settings. A small setup page will appear, allowing you to choose whether to have your camera and microphone on or off when you first join. I suggest initially turning on your microphone just to greet everyone, then you can mute it to minimize background noise as others speak. Similarly, if you're in a professional setting or a team meeting, keeping your video on can foster better participation and group dynamics. If you're in a noisier environment, you might want to keep the video off to help manage distractions. And there you have it. You're now ready to join your Microsoft Teams meeting. Check any last details, then hit that Join Now button. Remember to be mindful of your surroundings and ensure you're in a quiet space if possible. That way, you can focus, participate, and make the most out of your meeting. Thank you for joining me today. I'm confident these steps will empower you to connect, engage, and collaborate efficiently. Happy teaming!